Is your Jeep key fob not working? The most common issue is a dead battery. Jeep key fobs use a CR2032 battery. To replace it, gently pry open the fob. Often a small flat tool helps. Replace the battery, positive side up, and snap the fob back together. This is a low-risk DIY fix. If that doesn't work, try resyncing the fob. The process varies by model. For some Jeeps, it involves cycling the ignition and pressing the lock button. Refer to your owner's manual or Stellantis' online guide for specific steps for your Jeep model. Resyncing reestablishes the fob's pairing with the vehicle's immobilizer and body control module. Remember, these fobs have an RF range of 30 to 50 feet. If battery replacement and resyncing don't solve the problem, the issue may be with the vehicle's antenna or keyless entry receiver. These components can suffer from damaged wiring, corrosion, or module failure. Diagnostics may require an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. Unlike battery changes, antenna receiver issues typically require professional help. Contact a Jeep dealership for diagnosis and repair, which can range from cleaning connectors to replacing the receiver module. Look to the future. Jeep is moving towards digital keys via smartphone apps, potentially phasing out traditional fobs by 2030. Also keep in mind electromagnetic interference from urban environments, e.g. 5G towers, can affect key fobs. Stay informed about Stellantis' software updates and wireless tech advancements.